Life is busy, chaotic, and messy, but what if it didn't have to be? Today we're talking about 5 apps to help simplify your life and home. Hey everyone, it's Shelly from the Shelly Killinger Group at RE/MAX. So today we are starting off a fresh new year, well soon to be starting off a fresh new year, and we're talking about simplifying all sorts of things through the use of 5 amazing apps. So our first app is one of my favorites. It's called Wunderlist, and it is a list-making app that we use all the time. We use it for our grocery shopping, we use it for home improvement projects, we use it for packing lists, for trips. It allows you to make a list for virtually anything, and the coolest part is that you can share lists with other people electronically. They can see what you're checking off so that you both are on the same page with what has been packed or what has been purchased from the grocery list, so you're all on the same page. So definitely check out Wunderlist. It's a pretty good one. So have you ever felt like you just have way too much digital clutter? And I'm talking about 6 articles that you want to read but that you can never find, photographs stashed in every file on your computer, you have got web clippings that you just can never find when you need them. That brings us to our second app, which is called Evernote, and it is truly a digital organizational tool where you can put everything digital all in one place. So it takes your photos, your web clippings, your notes that you actually type into the app, everything, and puts it all in one space. And the best part about it is that it's searchable. So if you have something that you can't find, you just type it into the search field and it will bring up everything that matches: pictures, articles, notes that you've entered, everything. So it's definitely an amazing organizational tool. So check out Evernote. The third app that we have to share with you is a new one to me. It's called Keyring. I mean, I have roughly like 200, maybe not that many, membership cards, to the grocery store, to the bulk store, to, the place where we get our family photos taken. They all have membership cards, loyalty cards, reward cards that they want you to keep. And the hardest part is remembering to take them with me so that I have them with me at the store so they can scan it. So Keyring allows you a solution to that problem. You can actually take all of those loyalty cards, all of your membership cards, scan them into the app, and when you're at the grocery store, you just pop up your cell phone, let them scan the app on your cell phone, and boom, you're done. It's so easy. So check out Keyring. That's app number 3. App number 4 is amazing if you have young children or even grandchildren. If you have stacks of children's artwork lying around your house, which I know I do, and it's so hard to throw them away and go through them and find a place to store them, there's an app called Artkay, which is pretty cool. It allows you to digitally store all of your children's artwork, even if they're a 3-dimensional project. You upload it to the app, and then the coolest part is you can actually turn your children's artwork into a keepsake or into a book to send a grandparent or a loved one. So you can take your children's artwork and turn them into lasting memories for your loved ones, which is pretty cool. So that's called Artkay. That's app number 4. Well, I have definitely saved the best one for last. So if you have trouble budgeting or seeing where your money is going each month, or worse yet, just seeing where your money went the past month, this app is for you. It is called EveryDollar. They have an app and a desktop version. I actually tend to use the desktop version a little bit more, but it allows you to budget all of your money for the month in different buckets. You can see, is this, we're budgeting this amount for eating out, or this amount for travel, or this amount for gas and groceries. And then every week it can automatically sync if you pay for the upgraded version, or you can go in and update your financials. What did we spend? What transactions did we have from last week? You update them and it lets you know how much money you have left in each category. It is truly an amazing budgeting tool, and it has had a huge impact on our family personally. So I highly, highly recommend EveryDollar. Like I said, they have a desktop version and an app version. You may want to use the desktop only because you're looking at your bank statements, your credit card bills, and kind of putting it all together. But the app version is really handy for whenever you're on the go as well. Well, I hope that these 5 apps have been very useful for you guys. I hope you use them as we're starting into 2020. If you have a favorite app that you would love to share, I'd love to hear about it. Just post it in the comments down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.